Talent Online Training. Introduction to Talent, Understanding the Basics. Introduction to Talent, Understanding the Basics. Talent is an open source software platform that specializes in data integration, data management, enterprise application integration, and data quality. It enables organizations to effectively integrate, cleanse, and manage data from various sources, making it a crucial tool in the era of big data and analytics. 1. Overview of talent. What is talent? Talent provides a comprehensive suite of data integration and management tools. It offers an open source core version and several commercial editions with enhanced features and support. Talent's tools are used for data integration, data quality, data preparation, and more. Core components. Talent Open Studio, the open source version, which includes basic features for data integration, ETL, extract, transform, load, and more. Talent Data Integration, a commercial tool that offers advanced data integration capabilities, including big data support. Talent Data Quality, tools for cleansing and profiling data to ensure accuracy and consistency. Talent Data Fabric, an integrated platform that combines data integration, data quality, master data management, and more in a single suite. 2 key features. Drag and drop interface. Talent provides a user-friendly drag and drop interface that simplifies the process of designing and managing data flows. ETL capabilities. Talent's ETL tools allow users to extract data from multiple sources, transform it according to business rules, and load it into target systems. Data quality management, tools to ensure data accuracy, completeness, and consistency, including deduplication, validation, and standardization. Big data integration, support for big data platforms like Hadoop, Spark, and NoSQL databases, enabling organizations to process and analyze large volumes of data. Real-time data integration. Talent supports real-time data processing, allowing for immediate data integration and transformation as new data is received. 3. Use cases. Data warehousing. Integrate data from multiple sources into a centralized data warehouse for reporting and analysis. Cloud data integration. Migrate and integrate data between on-premises systems and cloud platforms. Master data management, MDM create a single, unified view of key business entities, customers, products, etc. across the organization. Big data analytics, process and analyze large datasets using Talent's big data components. 4. Getting started with Talent. Installation. Talent Open Studio can be downloaded and installed on a local machine. The commercial editions are available as cloud-based or on-premises solutions. Designing jobs. Jobs in Talent represent data integration tasks. Users design jobs using the graphical interface, which involves selecting components, configuring them, and connecting them in the workflow. Running and monitoring jobs. Once designed, jobs can be executed within the Talent environment. Talent also offers monitoring tools to track the performance and status of jobs. 5. Benefits of using Talent. Open source flexibility. The open source nature of Talent provides flexibility and cost effectiveness, with the option to scale up to commercial editions as needed. Scalability. Talent can handle small-scale data projects as well as enterprise-level data integration across complex environments. Comprehensive data management, from data integration to data quality, Talent covers the entire data life cycle, ensuring that organizations can manage their data effectively. Data integration with Talent, a comprehensive guide. Data integration with Talent, a comprehensive guide. Introduction to Talent. Talent is a leading data integration platform that provides powerful tools for integrating, transforming, and managing data from various sources. Its open source nature, along with its extensive suite of tools, makes it a popular choice for businesses looking to improve their data management processes. Key features of Talent. Open source platform. Talent offers both open source and enterprise versions, making it accessible to a wide range of users. ETL and ELT capabilities. Talent supports both extract, transform, load, ETL, and extract, load, transform, ELT processes, allowing flexibility in how data is processed. Data quality management. Talent includes tools for data profiling, cleansing, and enrichment, ensuring that data is accurate and consistent. Big data integration. Talent provides connectors and components for integrating with big data platforms like Hadoop, Spark, and NoSQL databases. Cloud integration. Talent integrates seamlessly with cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, enabling hybrid cloud environments. Real-time data integration. Talent supports real-time data integration, making it suitable for environments that require immediate data processing. Comprehensive connectivity. With over 900 connectors, Talent can connect to a wide range of databases, applications, and cloud services. Talent data integration process. 1. Designing data flows. Job design. Talent allows users to design data integration jobs through a graphical interface. Users can drag and drop components, define connections, and set up data transformation rules without writing complex code. Metadata management. Talent's metadata repository helps manage and reuse data schemas, connection parameters, and other essential information across multiple jobs. 2. Data extraction. Connectivity. Talent supports a wide range of connectors for databases, flat files, APIs, and more, enabling seamless data extraction from different sources. Batch and real-time extraction. Talent allows both batch processing and real-time streaming of data, depending on the use case requirements. 3. Data transformation. Data mapping. Talent provides intuitive tools for mapping source data to target schemas, including data type conversions, conditional transformations, and complex data aggregations. Data enrichment. Talent's data quality tools can enrich data by adding missing information, standardizing formats, and validating data against predefined rules. Data filtering and cleansing. Talent allows users to filter out irrelevant data and clean data by removing duplicates, handling null values, and correcting data errors. 4. Data loading. Target systems. Talent supports loading data into various target systems, including databases, data warehouse, cloud storage, and business applications. Incremental loading. Talent enables incremental data loading, ensuring that only new or updated data is loaded, reducing the load on target systems. Bulk loading. For large datasets, talent can use bulk loading techniques to optimize the performance of data integration processes. Advanced features in talent. 1. Big data integration. Talent's big data components allow integration with Hadoop, Spark, and other big data technologies. Users can design big data jobs using the same interface as traditional data integration tasks. Talent data quality, ensuring clean and accurate data. Talent data quality is a powerful tool designed to help organizations ensure their data is clean, accurate, and reliable. It offers a comprehensive suite of features that facilitate data profiling, cleansing, and monitoring, ensuring that data meets the required standards for quality and consistency. Key features of talent data quality. Data profiling. Overview. Talent data quality provides robust data profiling capabilities, enabling users to analyze data and identify issues such as duplicates, inconsistencies, and incomplete records. Benefits. This feature helps in understanding the current state of data, revealing patterns and anomalies that may affect data integrity. Data cleansing. Standardization. Talent allows for the standardization of data, ensuring that information such as addresses, phone numbers, and dates are in a consistent format. Validation. It includes tools to validate data against defined rules, ensuring that it adheres to business requirements and industry standards. Enrichment. Talent can enrich data by cross-referencing it with external sources, enhancing its accuracy and completeness. Data matching and deduplication. Matching algorithms. Talent uses advanced matching algorithms to identify and merge duplicate records, reducing redundancy and improving data quality. Survivorship rules. Users can define survivorship rules to determine which data to retain when duplicates are found. Data governance. Compliance. Talent supports data governance initiatives by ensuring data complies with regulatory requirements and internal policies. Metadata management. It provides tools for managing metadata, which is crucial for understanding the context, quality, and lineage of data. Real-time data quality monitoring. Continuous monitoring. Talent offers real-time monitoring of data quality, allowing organizations to detect and address issues as they arise. Alerts and reports. Users can set up alerts and generate reports on data quality metrics, helping to maintain high standards over time. Integration with other talent products. Data integration. Talent data quality seamlessly integrates with other talent products, such as talent data integration and talent big data, enabling a unified approach to data management. API integration. The platform also supports integration with third-party applications and services, extending its capabilities across the enterprise. Benefits of using talent data quality. Improved decision-making. By ensuring data accuracy, organizations can make better informed decisions, leading to more effective strategies and operations. Cost reduction. Clean data reduces the costs associated with errors, rework, and poor decision-making. Compliance. Ensuring data quality helps organizations meet regulatory requirements, avoiding fines and legal issues. Customer satisfaction. Accurate and reliable data leads to better customer interactions and experiences. Talent Big Data, harnessing the power of big data technologies. Talent Big Data is a powerful integration platform that enables organizations to harness the potential of big data technologies. It facilitates the extraction, transformation, and loading (ETL) of vast amounts of data across various sources into a unified system, allowing businesses to make informed decisions. Here's how Talent Big Data leverages big data technologies. 1. Integration with big data ecosystems. Hadoop and Spark. Talent integrates seamlessly with Hadoop and Apache Spark, enabling organizations to process large volumes of data efficiently. Talent's native code generation for MapReduce, Spark, and Spark streaming allows for real-time and batch data processing, providing flexibility and scalability. NoSQL databases. Talent supports integration with NoSQL databases like Cassandra, MongoDB, and HBase, allowing for the management of unstructured and semi-structured data. 2. Real-time data processing. Talent's support for Apache Kafka and Spark streaming enables real-time data processing. This allows businesses to handle data as it is generated, making it ideal for use cases like fraud detection, real-time analytics, and IoT data processing. 3. Scalability and performance. Talent's architecture is designed for scalability, allowing organizations to process petabytes of data. It optimizes performance by using distributed computing frameworks like Spark, ensuring that data processing is efficient even at large scales. 4. Data quality and governance. Talent includes robust data quality and data governance tools that ensure the data being processed is accurate, consistent, and compliant with regulations. Features like data profiling, cleansing, and lineage tracking are integral to maintaining high-quality data pipelines. 5. Advanced analytics and machine learning. Talent can integrate with machine learning libraries and frameworks, allowing data scientists to build and deploy predictive models. By leveraging Spark MLib or integrating with Python and R, Talent enables advanced analytics directly within big data workflows. 6. Cloud and hybrid deployment. Talent supports cloud-native and hybrid deployments, allowing organizations to run big data workloads on platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure. This flexibility enables businesses to leverage cloud resources for scalable data processing. 7. Simplified data management. Talent provides a graphical user interface (GUI) that simplifies the development of big data workflows. This reduces the complexity associated with coding, making it easier for data engineers to design and manage data pipelines. Conclusion. Talent Big Data is a comprehensive platform that leverages the power of big data technologies to transform how organizations manage and analyze their data. By integrating with leading big data ecosystems, enabling real-time processing, and ensuring data quality and governance, Talent empowers businesses to unlock the full potential of their data. Advanced features in Talent, a deep dive. Talent is a powerful data integration platform known for its wide array of features designed to handle complex data management tasks. Here's a deep dive into some of the advanced features in Talent. 1. Data quality and profiling. Data profiling. Talent provides tools for data profiling, which allows users to analyze and assess the quality of their data. This includes identifying data patterns, inconsistencies, and anomalies to ensure data accuracy. Data cleansing. Talent's data cleansing tools enable users to standardize, deduplicate, and correct data errors, ensuring that the data is clean and ready for processing. 2. Big data integration. Support for big data ecosystems. Talent integrates seamlessly with big data platforms like Hadoop, Spark, and NoSQL databases. It offers components for processing and transforming large volumes of data across distributed environments. Big data processing. Talent provides native support for processing big data with Spark, enabling in-memory processing for faster data transformation and analysis. 3. Real-time data integration. Streaming data integration. Talent offers real-time data integration capabilities, allowing users to ingest, process, and analyze streaming data from various sources such as IoT devices, social media, and messaging systems like Kafka. Event-driven architecture. With Talent, users can build event-driven data integration pipelines that trigger actions based on specific events, enabling real-time data processing and decision-making. 4. API services and integration. API Designer. Talent provides tools for designing, testing, and deploying APIs. This allows organizations to expose their data as services, enabling easy integration with other systems and applications. API management. Talent's API management capabilities include monitoring, securing, and managing APIs, ensuring that they are reliable and perform well. 5. Data governance. Metadata management. Talent offers advanced metadata management features, allowing users to track and manage metadata across the entire data lifecycle. This helps in maintaining data lineage and ensuring data governance. Role-based access control. RBAC. Talent provides RBAC to ensure that only authorized users have access to sensitive data and critical operations, enhancing data security. 6. Advanced mapping and transformation. Complex data mapping. Talent allows users to perform complex data mappings between different data sources and formats, including XML, JSON, and AD. It supports advanced transformation logic to meet specific business requirements. Machine learning integration. Talent integrates with machine learning platforms, enabling users to incorporate predictive analytics and machine learning models into their data integration workflows. 7. Cloud integration. Multi-cloud support. Talent supports integration with various cloud platforms, including AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. This allows users to build and deploy data pipelines in the cloud, ensuring scalability and flexibility. Hybrid cloud integration. Talent also supports hybrid cloud environments, enabling organizations to integrate data across on-premises systems and cloud-based applications. Talent Cloud, leveraging cloud capabilities for data management. Talent Cloud is a comprehensive data integration and management platform that leverages cloud capabilities to enhance data processing, governance, and analytics across various environments. Here's how Talent Cloud can be utilized for effective data management. 1. Seamless data integration. Multi-cloud and hybrid environments. Talent Cloud supports seamless integration across multiple cloud platforms, example AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and on-premises environments, allowing organizations to connect disparate data sources and create unified data flows. Pre-built connectors. The platform offers a wide range of pre-built connectors that simplify the process of linking different data sources, including databases, SaaS applications, and big data platforms. 2. Scalable data processing. Elastic scalability. Talent Cloud leverages the scalability of cloud infrastructure to handle large volumes of data. It allows dynamic allocation of resources based on processing needs, ensuring efficient data processing without compromising performance. Serverless architecture. Talent's serverless capabilities enable users to run data integration jobs without worrying about underlying infrastructure management, reducing operational overhead. 3. Data governance and compliance. Data quality management. Talent Cloud includes robust tools for data profiling, cleansing, and enrichment. These features help maintain high data quality, ensuring that data is accurate, complete, and consistent. Metadata management. The platform offers comprehensive metadata management, enabling better data lineage tracking and compliance with regulatory requirements such as GDPR and CCPA. 4. Real-time data integration. Streaming data processing. Talent Cloud supports real-time data integration and streaming analytics, enabling organizations to process and analyze data as it flows in from various sources. This is particularly useful for use cases like IoT data management and real-time business intelligence. API integration. The platform's API services allow for real-time data exchange between applications, facilitating seamless interactions across systems and enhancing the responsiveness of data-driven applications. 5. Advanced analytics and machine learning. Integration with data lakes and warehouse. Talent Cloud easily integrates with cloud-based data lakes and warehouse, enabling efficient data storage, retrieval, and analysis. This integration is crucial for advanced analytics and machine learning initiatives. ML and AI integration. Talent Cloud can connect with machine learning platforms to enrich data with predictive analytics and AI-driven insights, empowering organizations to make data-driven decisions. 6. Collaboration and workflow automation. Unified environment. Talent Cloud provides a unified environment for collaboration among data engineers, analysts, and business users. This facilitates the creation, deployment, and management of data workflows across the organization. Automation and orchestration. The platform includes automation features that enable the scheduling and orchestration of data integration workflows, reducing manual intervention and improving efficiency. 7. Cost-effective data management. Pay-as-you-go model. Talent Cloud's pricing model allows organizations to pay only for the resources they use, making it a cost-effective solution for data management. This model aligns with varying business needs and budgets. Cloud-native capabilities. Being cloud-native, Talent Cloud reduces the need for heavy infrastructure investments, thereby lowering the total cost of ownership, TCO. Talent for ETL, best practices and strategies. When working with Talent for ETL, extract, transform, load, processes, adopting best practices and strategies can ensure efficient, scalable, and maintainable data integration workflows. Below are some key recommendations. 1. Design and architecture. Modular design. Break down ETL processes into smaller, reusable components or jobs. This approach simplifies debugging, enhances reusability, and promotes better organization. Job frameworks. Establish a consistent framework for job development, including error handling, logging, and job dependencies. This ensures uniformity across all ETL jobs. Parameterization. Use context variables and job parameters to make your jobs dynamic and adaptable to different environments, example development, testing, production. Staging area. Utilize a staging area for data processing to minimize the impact on the source systems and to handle data transformations more efficiently. 2. Data transformation and processing. Incremental loading. Implement techniques for incremental data loading, CDC change data capture, to optimize performance and reduce the volume of data processed. Bulk operations. Where possible, use bulk data operations to reduce the number of database round trips and improve performance. Data quality checks. Incorporate data validation and cleansing steps within your ETL processes to ensure the quality and integrity of the data. Use of built-in components. Leverage Talent's built-in components for common transformations instead of custom code to maintain consistency and reliability. 3. Performance optimization. Parallel processing. Use Talent's parallel execution capabilities to process large volumes of data efficiently. Balance this with system resources to avoid overloading. Memory management. Monitor and optimize memory usage within Talent jobs, especially for large data sets. Consider splitting jobs or using streaming approaches if memory becomes a constraint. Database optimization. Optimize SQL queries and database operations, leveraging indexes and tuning database settings for better performance. Job monitoring. Regularly monitor job performance and log execution times to identify and address bottlenecks. 4. Error handling and debugging. Centralized error handling. Implement a centralized error handling mechanism that can log, notify, and manage errors consistently across all ETL jobs. Debugging techniques. Use Talent's debugging tools, such as breakpoints and trace mode, to step through jobs and identify issues. Retry mechanism. Implement retry logic for transient failures, especially for network-related operations or database connectivity issues. 5. Version control and deployment. Version control. Use a version control system, example Git, to manage changes in your ETL jobs. This enables collaboration, change tracking, and rollback capabilities. Automated deployment. Consider automating the deployment of Talent jobs across different environments using CI/CD pipelines to ensure consistency and reduce manual errors. Environment configuration. Maintain separate configurations for different environments, development, staging, production, to ensure seamless transitions and minimize risk. 6. Documentation and collaboration. Comprehensive documentation. Document your ETL processes, including job flows, data transformations, dependencies, and key business logic. This aids in maintenance and knowledge transfer. Collaboration tools use Talent's collaboration features, such as project sharing and shared metadata repositories, to enhance teamwork and maintain a single source of truth. Why choose ProExcellency for Talent online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Talent online training can offer several benefits. Expert trainers, ProExcellency provides training by experienced professionals who have deep knowledge of talent and extensive industry experience. This ensures that the training is both comprehensive and practical. Hands-on learning. The courses typically emphasize hands-on learning with real-world projects and case studies, which help learners gain practical experience in using talent for data integration and management. Flexible learning. ProExcellency offers flexible training schedules, allowing learners to balance their education with other commitments. Online classes can often be accessed at any time, making it easier for working professionals. Customized curriculum. The training programs are tailored to meet the needs of both beginners and advanced users. The curriculum is designed to cover essential concepts, advanced features, and best practices in talent. Certification assistance. ProExcellency often provides guidance and support for certification exams, helping learners to prepare effectively and increase their chances of passing. Post-training support. Learners may receive ongoing support even after completing the course, including access to recorded sessions, study materials, and assistance with job placements or career advice. Affordable pricing. ProExcellency offers competitive pricing for their training programs, making high quality education more accessible. Thank you.